how to buy ETH NFTs if you are a brand newbie in NFT space. Today it is 9th February 2022 and yesterday, if you can see right over here, 21 hours ago, February 8, 2022, 4:11 PM, I bought this particular NFT for a price of 0.5 Ethereum, and this is not the one. I have a couple of more from the same collection, and currently that is trading at 0.485 floor price. I have one VFriends as well, which is right now trading at 13.75 floor price. I have two World of Women over here, which are right now trading at 10.85 Ethereum each. I have Biopills over here, which is right now trading at 1.18. I have Boss Beauties, which is right now trading at 2.35 Ethereum. And similarly, I have a lot of things which I have done through MetaMask wallet account when it comes to Ethereum NFTs. And this is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video, that how to buy ETH NFTs if you are a brand newbie in NFT space, where I'm going to walk you through 5 different steps. Set up your MetaMask account. Number 2 would be buying Ethereum. Number 3 would be transferring Ethereum to your MetaMask. Number 4 would be linking your MetaMask with OpenSea. And number 5 would be finally buying ETH NFTs on OpenSea. Now, before I jump into any of these, I would urge you to just like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new on this one, and spread across the good value in the Web3 space. And now, with that being said, let's dive into the first step, which is setting up your MetaMask account. And for that, let me just collapse all these things. So how do you set up your MetaMask account? Now, setting up your MetaMask account, you just have to visit metamask.io. Alright, and let's suppose if I just go to the root URL, metamask.io, all you'll see is download and download now. And this is as per February 2022. Alright, as I showed you today's date, February 2022. So make sure whenever you're watching this, probably there might be changes here and there, but this is what it is, the current version. So I'll click on download over here or download now. Once you click on that, it will give you 3 different options. 1, Chrome, 2nd, iOS, 3rd, Android. Now, before you jump any further, let me tell you, when you are into Web3 space right now, we are very, very early. This is like websites in early days. So let's type actually, when was the first website built? And this was in 1991, all right? So in 1991, when the world's first website was launched, it was for it was for desktop or like the bigger screens. It was not mobile oriented or mobile responsive or those kind of device responsive. So right now we are into very, very early stages of Web3 space, where all these things are coming up, but they are more native to the desktops or the laptops of the world. So please do everything on desktop right now. So that is the reason why I'm going to go further with Chrome thing. And I'm going to click on install MetaMask for Chrome, and it's going to open up one new tab. Now, when it opens up, you can see I've already installed. So because of which, I've just created one guide over here that if you have not done this, then what you will see. So if you have not done that any point in time, then probably you'll see add to Chrome. Once you click on that, it will ask you to add the extension. And once you add the extension, it will say, welcome to MetaMask, connecting you to Ethereum and decentralized web. We are happy to see you. Click on get started, and then you will have 2 different options. So this is the option which you will select. Create a wallet, because you have never done this. Create a wallet, click on that, and once you do that, click on I agree, which you'll see like this. Clicking on I agree, it will ask you to set up your password, minimum 8 characters, and agree to the terms. Click on create, and this is where you will get your seed phrase or recovery phase or secret backup phrase. Alright, it's one and the same. All these terms are one and the same. Seed phrase or recovery phase or secret backup phrase. Now this would be in combination of a couple of words. Make sure you write this phrase on a piece of paper. Like, yes, literally write it in a piece of paper, store it somewhere safe. Try to do it in 2 to 3 different locations. And trust me, this is actually required if you are doing it for the first ever time. Alright. Now once you have written that, just on the next screen, you will be asked to reconfirm that. So make sure you have jotted down actually because you'll have to write it or select a couple of options to reconfirm and then click on next. Once you click on next, this is where it says, congratulations, you passed the test. Keep your seed phrase safe. It's your responsibility. And click on all done and you are all set. Now after this, if you go to your MetaMask account on the Chrome extension, you'll be able to see a brand new fresh account over here with 0 Ethereum and no transactions. Now, the second step is all about buying Ethereum. All right, so let's get you some ETH. Now for this, you might just see an option to buy inside your MetaMask account as well, but never ever do that. What we recommend is, and what most of the Indians do, that this is more around Indian audience. So I would highly recommend that please use any Indian crypto exchange. Now, who are these Indian crypto exchanges? It can be like, let me actually write it down for you guys. So you can use any of these Indian crypto exchanges to buy Ethereum. And the one which I'm currently using is CoinDCX. So I'm already logged into my CoinDCX account. Again, to tell you, please make sure you do it on your desktop. You can do it in your mobile app as well, but I'm going to show you everything on desktop. So once you're logged into your CoinDCX account over here, which you'll have to create your eKYC, submit all those things, bank details and things like that. And once you are over here, if you don't have any wallet balance, make sure you add a couple of balance, click on INR wallet balance. And the way you land on this page is by logging into your CoinDCX account and going to quick buy and Insta. Once you click on that, you will be coming on this page where if you don't see Ethereum, then click on this box and select Ethereum, or just search for Ethereum, something like this, and you have to select ETH. Now once you select, depending upon what the price is, and if you don't have funds, simply click on INR wallet balance and it will ask you to just add your funds. That is like layman simple terms, just like adding money to your account. So click on that, do that. Once you have funds, that's where you just buy Ethereum. Now, how much should you buy Ethereum? Now, this depends upon what kind of NFTs you want to buy. So let's suppose I want to buy an NFT which is worth, let's say, I would just add up over here, new child, NFT worth, let's say minimum 0.05 Ethereum. Okay. And in the Ethereum world, you have to pay gas fee as well, which is kind of transaction fee. I would just assume that 0.05 ETH plus maybe I might just end up paying 0.015 ETH in gas. All right, so that might just come up to a round figure of 0.065 ETH in total. So let's write 0.065. Right? That comes down to 16,334 rupees in today's price point over here, and it will keep on fluctuating. Obviously, depending upon when you are doing it, might just fluctuate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just buy for this balance, or let's say I'll buy 0.07 Ethereum, or I can actually buy more. Let's buy ETH, and there you go. Yes, the details are correct, and bingo, your Ethereum has just been bought. So I've just bought 0.07821 Ethereum, and the amount paid was 19689.30. So this is how you buy Ethereum through an Indian crypto exchange, and the second step is also done. Now moving on to the third step. Third step is all about transferring the Ethereum which you have just bought to your MetaMask account which you had set in the first place. Because to buy NFTs, you need Ethereum in your MetaMask account, not your crypto exchange platform. You cannot buy NFTs through Indian crypto exchange platforms. They are just trading platforms. You can buy coins and currencies, but you cannot buy NFTs. So for that, you require MetaMask account, which is Ethereum based. We are talking about how to buy ETH NFTs. Okay. So now for this, all you have to do is go to your CoinDCX account. And the way you go to this particular page is go to funds, click on withdraw, and you would be able to see withdraw coins. Now, depending upon what you have invested in, if this was your first ever investment in Ethereum, then you would be just seeing Ethereum and you won't see anything else. I have invested in a lot of other coins as well. So that is the reason why I'm probably seeing a lot of other accounts, coins as well. But I'll click on Ethereum over here. If you don't see on the top, just click on search coins over here and search for Ethereum. So I'm going to click on Ethereum, and now this is where it will ask me to paste an address over here. Paste or type the destination address. The available balance right now, as you can see, is 0.08 Ethereum. The transfer fee for this particular transaction would be a fixed amount of CoinDCX, which you'll have to pay, which is 0.004 Ethereum. So the way you can go ahead and take your destination address is by going to your MetaMask account, and for that click on this Chrome extension. simply click on this account which says copy to clipboard, click on that and paste it over here. And then in the amount section, you just click on maybe available. If you want to withdraw everything to your MetaMask, click on available and the entire amount would be over here, or maybe you can type whatever you want to send it across. Next, just type your withdrawal password. Now this is where a lot of you might get confused, because if you're doing it for the first ever time in CoinDCX, then probably it will ask you to set your withdrawal password, and that is just a one-time execution. So once you set, if it is asking you to set your withdrawal password, you'll have to set the withdrawal password, and once you do that, once you confirm your password, you cannot withdraw anything for the next 24 hours. You'll be able to see on your screen itself. But if you have already done that, then obviously you will be able to enter your withdrawal password. And next I'm going to click on send over here, and as you can see, I will be receiving 0.07779 ETH to my wallet, and the fee would be 0.004 Ethereum. So I'm going to click on send over here, and on the next screen you will see you'll have to enter the OTP. So I'm going to do that, and it will say request initiated and your withdrawal request has been initiated. Please check your email and confirm to proceed with withdrawal request. So go to your email and you should receive a confirm withdrawal request email. Click on this button and bingo, it says your withdrawal request has been successfully verified and is under process. And now you can obviously click on see withdrawal history, or maybe click on just MetaMask, and let's see if the amount is already over here or not. And it is not. This means that it is still on the blockchain and it will take some time for it to come over here. Also, while you are waiting for this ETH to be just transferred to your MetaMask account, you can see that it if you just scroll down over here, you'll see past withdrawals in Ethereum, and you can see that it has just been out and it has been completed. And if you click on this completed transaction thing, right, all these alphanumeric numbers, click on that. So you can see it is still pending and it is going from an account to a different account, which is our account, and we have been transferring 0.07779 Ether, and the transaction fee, as I had shown you, was 0.004 to CoinDCX. So let's just wait for a couple of more seconds, and let's see once it is success over here, obviously then the MetaMask account would be credited with the amount. And it shows success. So let's click on MetaMask and I should be able to see, yep, there you go, 0.00778 Ethereum. And if you click on this as well, you'll see only one transaction because it is a fresh account. And with that, we have completed our third step, which is transferring ETH to your MetaMask account. Now let's go to the fourth step, which is linking your MetaMask with OpenSea. Over here, so let's say OpenSea.io. And right over here, if I click on this, I won't be able to see any profile option, or if I click on account and click on profile, it is saying unnamed. Now, I don't know whether this is my account or not. So click on your MetaMask account, and once you are there, you will see not connected because it is a fresh account. It's a new account. So click on not connected over here, and it will ask you to connect your account. Now, because I have multiple accounts inside MetaMask, so I'll click on connect. For you, probably you will be able to see only one account, and it should say active over here. And come back and you'll see connected on the top over here. So now if you refresh, this is your account, which is right over here, and there are no items to display it because you have not bought any NFT. So this is the fourth step where you are linking your MetaMask account with an OpenSea marketplace, and OpenSea, you have just created your account, okay, by linking your MetaMask account. So click on settings over here, and you can change your name over here. You can do plenty of stuff. You can upload your cover. You can upload your profile picture. I'm not going to do that because this is just for demonstration purpose. I have a different account for that. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to say the tick mark for this as well, because this is how you link your MetaMask account with OpenSea. And the final step is actually buying ETH NFTs on OpenSea. So I'm going to demonstrate by one of the one of the projects of mine, which is JorrParivar. So if I go to JorrParivar, so there are 1254 unique items where we currently are having 195 owners. The floor price is 0.05, and we have a volume trade of 26.5 Ethereum as of now. So now the way you can just buy is based on a lot of things, because you'll have to study what is our utility and what kind of levels we have. So JorrParivar is a complete project which is divided around 22 original intellectual properties which are licensed in Ministry of India, bronze, silver and gold. And we have three different pricing: 0.005, 0.55 and 0.25. Now I'm not gonna go into the details of this. You can just visit our website JorrParivar.in. The link would be somewhere in the description, somewhere over here in the episode itself. You can just go over here. You can see the future of JorrParivar, what all things we have already done, what is the team, what is the roadmap. You can obviously go to digitalpratik.com/JP roadmap as well, and it will redirect you to our entire roadmap, which we have recently published in the month of January, like end of January, which is where we are unveiling JorrParivar's roadmap for 2022 in detail, where we are saying what we have already done, what we have already executed, what you are getting, and what we are gonna now do. So there are plenty of things which you have done, collabs with other NFT, we have done collabs with other NFT projects. We have done so many things. You can just visit all these things. We are upcoming with our JorrParivar merchandise as well, and plenty of other stuff. So you can learn more about our project, but I'm going to demonstrate over here by just purchasing any one of them. So I'm going to just buy any random one over here by searching into, let's say, animal. Now all these properties would be different for different projects. Okay, these are not the same one. These are just for my own project. So these properties would be different. The filters would be different. The key point is how to buy NFT. So I'm going to just select one thing over here. Let's say I'll go to Billy, and I'm going to buy this particular option over here, which is currently owned by JorrParivar, which is the project owner, which is obviously my project. And let me just zoom out a little bit, and I'll click on buy now, and it will just say understand and things like that. Click on by checking this box. I agree to OpenSea's terms and conditions, confirm checkout, and it will open up your MetaMask account, where it will show you some gas fee as well. So let's just wait for it to open up, and it shows 0.02264 ETH. Now, I mean, this is completely up to you, depending upon the gas fee. If you can afford, you can buy. If you don't, if you can't afford, then just wait when it is down and things like that by just going to Etherscan, and it depends upon the congestion. This is not in your hands. So click on confirm. I'm going to pay the amount, and right now it is processing. It will just keep on waiting for it to happen, and there you go, it is complete. And right over here as well, it would now say owned by you and not owned by JorrParivar. All right, and if you see the transaction, it would say JorrParivar to you or the project to you, which is what I shown. So let's suppose if I go to this Women Rise collection, which I had shown you earlier, and if I go to this particular one, it is owned by Digital Pratik, and you can see that it has been transferred from some account to Digital Pratik when I bought it. So this is how you buy your ETH NFT. This is how you buy ETH NFT, and this step is also completed. So hope you loved this particular one. If you did, then like this video, share this with your friend who needs to understand how to buy ETH NFTs, who need to set up their MetaMask account, who need to buy Ethereum, who need to transfer Ethereum to your MetaMask account, who need to link their MetaMask with OpenSea, and who need to buy ETH NFTs on OpenSea. And with that being said, this is your host and host, the Digital Pratik, signing off, a 33-year-old smiling practical dude trying to make sure that you always stay awesome, God bless, and keep smiling. And before you leave, like, comment, subscribe, और जो भी सारे YouTube के CTAs है सब कुछ कर डालो. I'll see you tomorrow.